Hello and welcome to another Sleepy Dog construction video. Today's video is part 3 of the asphaltic concrete transition installation. Part 1 was the mixing and compacting of the lime subgrade, and part 2 was the installation of the 18-inch concrete ribbon curb. Today's video shows the installation of the stabilized base material. The contractor is placing 8 inches of stabilized material. It should take 5 dump trucks for a total of 90 cubic yards or 34.5 tons to complete this transition. The contractor will be spreading the material with a CAT 299, or commonly known as a skid steer. The contractor will place a stabilized base material and cut it to grade later. The material will be placed 1.5 inches lower than the top of the curb. The center of the street is called the crown and will be approximately 2 inches higher than the curb. The crown will allow the rainwater to run over the curb to prevent ponding. Part 4 will show the asphaltic material being placed on top of the base. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and click the notification button so you won't miss part 4. The contractor uses a 10-ton steel wheel roller to compact the base material. He will continue to roll the base material until it's compacted to 95% of dry density to prevent the roadway from failing. If the base material fails, it will cause the asphalt to crack, allowing water to penetrate and saturate the base. This is why you see potholes after a heavy rain. I hope you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe. I will see you on part 4. Have a great day, and thank you for watching.